I just use Claude Code to get my applications at the top of the pile for the jobs I'm applying for at the moment, and this is how you're going to do it. First thing I did was get my CV up to scratch, because relevance to the industry problems that anybody's facing at the moment is the thing that's going to get you to the top, but you need to make sure that your CV actually says that. So I gave my CV my target industry and asked it to create a report for me looking at my current level of position that I'm going for and to identify all the problems that the industry is currently facing so that my CV mirrors that. So once Claude had compiled a report for me to show where the industry is at the moment, I retrofitted all of my previous positions that are relevant to show that I have solved these problems in the past, or that my experience is at least tangible to the problems that are there. So I cleaned up each one. And the way that I did it is I sent voice notes just talking through my experience, because Claude's smart enough to be able to synthesize that and then update the language within those roles to make sure that they fit the current state of the industry. Everybody's used to spotting AI slop at this point, so you want to make sure that you rewrite it in your own language that makes sense, but also doesn't seem like it was written by a computer. So once I had my updated CV, I got Claude to reconcile the job market report it created against my CV to make sure that I'm speaking to those problems. But now it's time to do the applying, and in 2 minutes you can have a tracker that's showing all the jobs that you've applied for, the people that you've spoken to, and where you need to follow up. So just say that to Claude and update it with every job you apply for. Give it a link, give it a contact that you've spoken to, and get it to track the status as well. If you spoke to someone, log it. If you didn't speak to someone, get it to follow up with you. And at any time you can say, do I need to follow up with anyone? And it's going to have a list of actions that you need to take. Now you've got an AI assistant that's going to do all the heavy lifting for you. You just need to do the talking.